Hello everyone, this is Brian Showman from Interalia and welcome to this quick video demonstration on the XMU Plus. In this video we'll do a quick overview of some of the features of the XMU Plus specifically when working with an Avaya CS1000 in order to play RAN announcements and music on hold. XMU Plus is the application used to communicate with and make changes to the XMU Plus platform. Once you have installed and launched XMU Plus, your first step should be to configure the physical ports using the line configuration option found under the configuration pulldown.
Now we can quickly configure each port with its starting node and set the operating mode. The starting node column shows which messages or sets of messages are assigned to the physical ports on the XMU Plus. The mode column shows the operating mode for the port. By default, the mode is set to ring start or R equals 1, but the CS1000 will require an operating mode known as CPNO or continuous play normally open. To edit the line settings, double-click on the lines or click on the Edit Lines button. Using the series of drop-down menus, you can easily configure which messages are assigned to each of the ports. At the same time, you can configure the operating mode for the ports to be CPNO. Now we can jump into the configuration of the messages and the nodes. You will notice that there are a lot of nodes to use in the configuration builder. But for the CS1000 application, we only need a few of them. The most important node is the message node. Click on the message node button a few times to create some message nodes. When I double click on a particular node, it will open it up to be edited. Some attributes you can edit within the message node are its label, its maximum length, and its on-off state. One of the great features of the XMU Plus is its ability to assign multiple messages to a single port and decide how they'll be played. Let me show you how this is done by using a list node. Let's create a list node and double-click on the new node to edit it. It's empty by default, but can quickly be populated with whatever message sequence you require. If you prefer your callers hear multiple messages played together as one, every time the RAN trunk is activated, you can change the mode from rotate to all. Using a table node, you can schedule exactly when a desired RAN message can be heard based on the time of the day of the week, or even the calendar dates. Create a table node from the node list at the top and then double-click it to edit. Select the criteria for the filter, time, date, calendar, etc., and then go ahead and populate the table below with the correct timings for each message based on the criteria selected. Once you have created message lists and scheduled message tables, you will need to go back to the line configuration menu and assign those new lists and tables to physical ports on the XMU Plus. Now let's take a look at the override mode. It's designed to change the complete configuration of the XMU Plus in just a second by pushing an emergency button or through a telephone remote access port. You can see a representation of the XMU Plus with its potential for 64 ports. If you have created an emergency configuration starting with list 911, for example, you can simply set that as the new starting node for all of the top ports. Simply set the starting node to list 911 and toggle the ports using one click. If you have an MOH line card for the XMU Plus, you can create music on hold productions using the MOH node. The MOH node is made up of a voice part and a music part. The voice section is made up of a list of messages contained within a CMD node or a command node, along with pauses that will be used to create music intervals between the messages where the music will play. The music component could be a WAV file stored on the XMU Plus system,
or else it could be an external royalty-free music source. Finally, you'll need to send the configuration to the XMU Plus platform itself for the changes to take effect. This is accomplished simply by using the Communications pull-down menu and selecting Communicate. Select the Send Entire Configuration, choose your site, and apply. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website or contact us by phone, email, or web chat.